Today I'm going to show you how to see other viewers on your Facebook story. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to jump into Facebook, and if you go ahead and look at your story, you'll be able to see that there will be an area at the bottom where it says other viewers. Now, there's no direct way of actually seeing who those people are because of their privacy. So what you need to do is on the top left, hit the three lines, come down, look for settings and privacy. Underneath settings and privacy, you'll see settings. Go ahead, tap on settings, and right here, what you're going to do is you're going to come all the way down and you're going to look for stories. Now, what you can do is set your privacy to be something different. So it says here, who can see your story? Here, we're going to go in, and currently it's on public. So anyone on Facebook or Messenger will be able to see your story. Now, if you want to just filter this down, you can actually go and filter it to be only your friends. You can also have some of your friends, and then you can accept certain people, and then you can completely customize this. So this allows you to completely change every single minute or every single type of person that will be able to see the story that you're putting on. And then if it is your friends, then you'll be able to see all of those friends. Now, if they are not your friend, they will be able to see your story. And also, you will not be able to see the bottom part of your story that says the other stories or other viewers. So that's the only way that you can kind of narrow down who is actually seeing your story and being able to see who has viewed it.